It's almost springtime. You know what that means? Allergy season. You've got 3 choices this year to manage your allergies. Number 1, like what I used to do, go through a box of Reactine or Allegra every single week because your eyes, nose was watery and runny and puffy. I remember I went through all of those symptoms. It's the worst. Option number 2, you can do what I did over the last decade and study all of these books and take functional medicine and holistic nutrition courses and learn from some of the greatest pioneers in the world in functional medicine. But I don't think you're going to do that. You're busy. You've got things to do. You don't have time for that. So, third option, you can take me up on this free offer. This is a brand new updated 2025 guide. It says Trust Your Gut. And in it, I explain the nuances of a leaky gut and how leaky gut leads to all sorts of different chronic conditions, including allergies. So again, if you want to avoid the problems and the symptoms and all that comes along with allergy season, you can fix your gut. And so I don't suspect you're going to read all of these books and take the courses and do the investment that I did. So instead, just take me up on this free offer, Trust Your Gut. Comment Trust Your Gut below, and I'll send you this free guide.